Imagine a tiny red hero, desperately needing oxygen, embarking on the most crucial journey of its life, right now inside you. This isn't just a commute, it's a high-stakes race through a thundering biological machine. Buckle up, we are about to enter the human heart. The cardiac cycle.
Meet our protagonist. Let's call him Rusty. He's just finished a long delivery route to your calf muscles and he is exhausted. He's carrying waste carbon dioxide and is desperate for a fresh supply of oxygen. To get that oxygen, Rusty needs the heart, the most tireless pump on the planet. But the heart isn't just an open door. It's a synchronized mechanical ballet of pressure, valves, and electrical timing. For Rusty to survive, every step of the stance must go perfectly. The right side's welcome home. Rusty's journey begins as he drifts into the right atrium. Think of this as the heart's reception lobby. The pressure here is low, allowing deoxygenated blood to casually fill the space. Suddenly, the lobby walls squeeze inward. This is atrial contraction. It gives Rusty a gentle nudge downward, pushing him through a set of doors called the tricuspid valve. Welcome to the right ventricle, and watch out behind you. Those tricuspid doors slam shut the instant the atrium relaxes. Why? To ensure Rusty can only move forward, never backward. The pulmonary launchpad. Now the real work begins. The right ventricle is primed. The walls begin a powerful contraction, rapidly increasing the pressure inside the chamber. Rusty is being squeezed. The pressure builds until, boom, it forces open the pulmonary valve, propelling Rusty out of the heart and into the pulmonary artery. This is the launch pad to the lungs. We take a brief detour. In the lungs, Rusty drops off that heavy carbon dioxide load and picks up shiny, life-sustaining oxygen molecules. He is instantly transformed, glowing bright red and renewed. It's time to head back to base. The left side's power drive. Our revitalized hero returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. You might notice the pressure here is already slightly higher than the lobby on the right side. Another nudge from the atrium guides Rusty through the mitral valve and into the ultimate powerhouse, the left ventricle. The mitral gate slams shut. Lub-dub, that's the sound of valves closing. Rusty is now trapped in the thickest, strongest chamber of the heart. Brace for impact. The systemic symphony and the next cycle. The left ventricle contracts with incredible force. This is the moment that defines your circulation. The pressure becomes immense, far higher than anywhere else so far. And blast off! Rusty is ejected powerfully through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the body's superhighway. This single mighty push has to generate enough pressure to send blood to your brain, your fingertips, and all the way down to your toes. Rusty speeds away to deliver his oxygen cargo. As he does, he'll slowly become deoxygenated again, eventually finding his way back to the right atrium to start the whole cycle over. And just like that, billions of these tiny heroes embark on this same journey, minute after minute, day after day, without ever taking a break. What incredible machine do you think keeps this rhythm going? Look inside. It's keeping you alive right now.
Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below.